This application wants to be the best writing experience for you, with deep focus modes, a beautiful desktop application, as well as artificial intelligence weaned in there. This application is an interesting one, and it actually was previously a calendar application. We're going to be diving into Strut today and exploring whether it's worth it for you. So here is Strut, and as I mentioned, it wants to be this writing workspace, this place for you to bring notes, documents, and bring ideas, combining that with artificial intelligence. So it looks like this on desktop, and as you can see, it's quite clean and minimal, and if I want to start a document, I can click into it. Now, one of the things that you can do instantly is use this deep focus mode. There's a zoom mode, and then the deep focus mode that, if you knock the sidebar away, really gives you a very focused experience when you're writing. So for example, I could be like, Scrum Planning is an app for Scrum Poker. And you can start to see how it folds away as you type, a little bit like a typewriting experience. Now, it's really nice in terms of its design. If I press Command K, this is where you can access the artificial intelligence side of stuff. And what you can do is start brainstorming ideas using documents as inspiration. Now, alongside it, you can also open this sidebar here and get a chat ability along the side. So for example, you can ask it questions, it can create a document for you, and it can also be added to the existing document that you're working on. But this essentially can be tuned a little bit, allowing you to add custom settings to give the artificial intelligence better results. Now, here's an example of a workspace that has been created already. It's a getting started area, but you can also break it down into three separate views: list view, the general sort of grid view, and then a Kanban view in which you can drag items across two different projects. Now, you can add different stages as part of this to help you keep organized on certain activities. Now, this could be drafts to writing all the way to finished pieces. But if I click in, I can start to see a bit more of an idea of how a fully completed document will be used. And I can press Command K and repurpose content to be an email, for example. And I can add stuff like what the audiences and goals are, as well as the tone which you could set across the site for your brand. And that can be accessed up here as well, allowing you to create a brand voice for your account, giving you more context and better AI results. You can create a new workspace which will allow you to break down some of your items, but you can also have it as a template that is basic notes, which will allow you to have your notes alongside your documents if you're working here for writing. So in terms of all of the features, that's pretty much it. This application is purely focused on the writing side of stuff. Let me show you a little bit more about the stuff on their website, indicating what their pricing may be. Now, as you can see, you get one workspace and one brand voice as 25 monthly AI messages for the $0 per month. And you can also get access to their beta plus and pro plans currently whilst it's in beta. And you get unlimited workspaces, unlimited brand voices, and 500 monthly AI uses. Now, this application is seemingly a very interesting, refined way to do writing and to get into the focus modes. A lot of people will like this if they do a lot of writing across their workday, and it's seemingly a really nice editing experience from what I've played around with it. It also has collaborative abilities, which allows teams to collaborate with other people in real time and see each other's notes, as well as much more fine-tuned AI abilities that I'm sure people will find enjoyable. The application was fast, and it's available to download, I believe, on Mac and on web at the moment. So if you're in the hunt for any productivity tool, jump over to Toolfinder and you can find hundreds there to explore in more detail, including apps like Strut. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon.